the Department of Chemistry is going to offer the certificate in manufacturing of surfactant-based products. This certificate comprises 4 courses, 3 are chemistry-based courses and 1 is the fundamental of business. The 3 chemistry-based courses, each course comprises of 3 credit hours being split into 2 plus 1. 2 credit hour theory work and 1 credit hour is the lab work. These courses include basic chemistry of surfactant, quality control analysis of surfactant-based products, soaps and detergents. Whereas our 4th course is fundamental of business is being introduced to equip the students with the basic skills of establishing their own business in the field of surfactant-based products. The eligibility criteria for this certificate course is 14 years of education with chemistry. Therefore, the students who have acquired ADS, BSc, BS, MS or PhD degrees with chemistry are all eligible to apply. Similarly, those students who have acquired their MS, BS or PhD degrees in disciplines of other natural sciences such as biology, biochemistry, microbiology, biology, environmental sciences are all eligible to apply provided they have studied chemistry as a subject during first 4th semester of their BS level program. As far as the offering mode of the program is concerned, the courses will be offered in face-to-face mode through LMS. Each theory course will have a 2 hours class per week for 15 weeks. The schedule of the classes will be shared with the students, whereas the lab component of the courses will be conducted in the form of on-campus workshops for consecutive 3 weeks. These workshops will be conducted in Department of Chemistry, Allama Iqbal Open University located in H8 Islamabad. The fee package of the whole course is 23,550 rupees including admission fees, lab charges, course fees and certificate charges. There is no other hidden charges to be paid later on. The evaluation of all the courses will be done in the form of 2 assignments to be submitted for each course during the semester and midterm exams. The midterm exams would be conducted during the lab workshop when students will be present physically on campus. Whereas at the end of the semester, the student will have to appear in the final exam of each course which will be conducted on campus in Islamabad. The outcome of this course are skilled trained professionals who can establish their business in the field of surfactant-based products such as soaps, detergents, shampoos, hand washes, dishwashers and other cleaning agents. Besides the basic knowledge of chemistry, the course has clear emphasis on building of basic skill needed for the entrepreneurs including team building, leadership skills, business model design, registration, permit requirements and taxation, etc. Become self-empowered job providers, not job seekers. So come and learn with PhD qualified faculty and establish your future.